Hey guys, today I'll be doing a bit of an unboxing. For these Wednesday uploads, or maybe even on Saturday, I'll probably just be doing these types of vlogs, so I hope you guys can understand that. I'm just kind of busy, but yeah, I received these two packages in the mail, and I've been waiting for them for quite some time because they came from China. So let's start with the more or less interesting one, this one right here. And I think I can just open this with my hands, so toss that to the side. And it is a really big thing of thermal paste. So I've been needing lots of thermal paste lately. I've been swapping CPU coolers and whatnot. Not very frequently at least, but I mean, I've had like another thermal paste. Let me see if I can show you. Before, I used this one, which it was like 80 cents, and quite honestly, I think I got what I paid for. It's a piece of junk, honestly. It's whenever you apply it, it just kind of it doesn't spread very well. And to give some perspective of how big this is like 30 grams. I think that's the right unit, but this is a regular, and this is, so yeah, this is a lot of thermal paste, and it only costs like $1, so it's better than this thermal paste, I know, because this is actually fairly decent. So I'll be using this from here on out, and maybe I'll do a performance test or something like that, but just a tube of thermal paste. And next up, the more interesting one, we're going to need a 9-volt battery for this. And this is a little bit less of packaging, which is a bit concerning. It was shipped with like a Wish Post, the Chinese website, shopping website. Oh, it has more packaging. Alrighty, let's get some text there, QR code. Let's get this open. And it is a multimeter. Is this used? Kind of looks scratched up there. Whatever. This cost me $5, and I went with this one specifically because watched a comparison video, and this one compared to the like cheap one from Harbor Freight, this one seemed to be better than that one, at least more accurate than the Harbor Freight one. It's not going to be as, you know, accurate as a more higher end one, of course, but yeah. You have the test leads. One concern is that these are exposed. I think they're supposed to be covered, but oh well. Maybe I can replace them down the line. But here's an instruction manual. Just lots of safety stuff and how to operate it, which I might need to take a look at. I've never used a multimeter before. But let's pop in a 9-volt battery. Yeah, let me pop in the 9-volt battery and see if it works. Alrighty, so I installed the Dollar Tree battery in it. I wouldn't recommend using a 9-volt battery from Dollar Tree, but hey, I have it. It's been working, I guess, so let's try and turn it on, I guess. And it works. Alright. So you have settings for resistance, continuity, AC and DC voltage. I think that's it. And yeah, I think it has like a light. Yeah, it has some backlighting, which is pretty nice. I'm not really that knowledgeable of multimeters, but I know if you're using one, you need to put it to the maximum, like the correct voltage or whatever reading. Because if you put it too low and what you're testing, like a battery for instance, it's like, let's say the battery's 3 volts and you put it at like too low, I think that might break it, short circuit it or something like that. But yeah, this is a multimeter. Remember the RX 580 that I got? I'll be using this to find out the problem, to see if I can get the MOSFET or whatever it may be desoldered. So yeah, this is the multimeter. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to get back to you. If you did enjoy the video, hit that like button, but if not, you know where to go. While you're there, consider subscribing to the channel and enable notifications for more quality tech videos. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.